Residents of Jiribam have appealed to Chief Minister in Biren to personally visit the district for a first-hand assessment of the situation and to take measures to restore law and order. They have also requested immediate provision of relief materials to those displaced and currently residing in relief camps owing to the ongoing crisis. A memorandum to this effect was submitted through Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam, Krishna Kumar IAS. During a press conference at the office of the Old Jiribam United Clubs Association Azuka in Babupara today, President Mutumay Paksanamangang highlighted the peaceful state of Jiribam amid the crisis that began on May 3rd last year. However, in the past few days, the district has witnessed unwarranted incidents including arson in Bekra and an insignificant number of Meitei seeking refuge in relief camps due to feeling unsafe. Mai Paksana emphasized the government's responsibility to safeguard lives and properties, expressing disappointment in the state government's inability to curb the recent violence. The memorandum calls for the immediate deployment of state and central paramilitary forces throughout Jiribam to quell the unrest. Furthermore, the relief camps established at Chingdong Laikai Upper Primary School and Mahikulen Sports Complex have reportedly not received any assistance from the Deputy Commissioner or the state government. The authorities have been urged to promptly address this issue and provide the necessary relief materials to the affected individuals. He also urged to provide financial assistance to those affected by the recent floods.
Jiribam da May 3rd, 2023 dagi sahi amaga tha khara hena thodong macha thokiba natana May June gi anganba paigi maraksida gi misi mina yauksalakpa koi Jiribam da ngarang dagi gi yamna pamdaba thodong mayam khak tholakpa phibam sida hujik bera mai gaida yummai thaba adagi apam khodimakta safety oide haidana relief lawba lakpa khotba mayama laire aduna aikoi haiba development committee ajuka amoba MSF AGMP gi apunba body asina haijaning badi haiba situation si amna koi Jiribam da laiminaba organization punamakna district administration yauna SP police administration aduga paramilitary force mayam yauna yamna wana maintain torpa du jik situation si madugi situation su yamna lu phim dan laiba tan timing ni huji aduna akoi misam praja singsi innocent people singi property life save to basi government gi mathau ne aduna mapung bhana control to bangam da basi Manipur government gi asol maneba aduna akoina memorandum asida akoina number 1 da policy khudakta state force Jiribam gi district chin bathungna amadi central paramilitary forces sing maram kaina khudakta deployment tawna ba hariba memorandum number 1 sida pali